They have a unique traditions, festivals, and attire that reflects their identities. Born primarily inhabited in Assam, and they are recognized for their contributions to the region, cultural diversity, and history. They are known for their kindness and hospitality. Manipur. Manipur is also known for its rich culture. They have many festivals and have a beautiful traditional clothes. The different tribes shows their customs through colorful festivals and unique clothing. They reflect their identity and unity. This makes Manipur a more important part of India's culture. Here, the Kuki tribe is represented by its traditional dress. Women wear a beautiful shawls and skirts. It has been showing their unique culture and heritage. The Sanmali community. The Sanmali community is one of the largest tribal communities in India. They are known for its vibrant culture, rich traditions, and unique language. They primarily reside in states like Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar, and Assam. Their people are celebrated for their colorful festivals, traditional dance, and distinctive attire, which reflect their deep connection to nature and their cultural heritage. Odisha. The people of Odisha have a various cultural practice and traditions. They believe to have originated from the ancient Hindu that settled along the eastern coast of India. They have different traditional dresses, reflecting the state's strong heritage. Odisha has prestige, which we all in a rich cultural diversity. This shows us through its festivals and music, as well as their dance. Arunachal. Arunachal is known for its diverse culture and natural beauty. It is home to many tribes, each with its own traditions and language. Here, representing the Damsa tribe, their traditional clothing is made from hand-woven fabrics and vibrant patterns, reflecting their rich culture, heritage, and connection to the nature. Uttar Pradesh. unique festivals, customs, and attire that reflects the cultural identity of its people. The village has its own significant role in India. They have a spiritual and historical landscape which make it an important part of the country's heritage. Delhi, the capital city of India, which is known as its rich history, cultural diversity, and modern development. Delhi is the home to people from all over the country, which contribute to its multicultural identity. It has a rich heritage along with its rule, and which make it as an essential part of nation history. Nagaland in northeastern India is known for its rich cultural heritage and diverse tribes. Representing the Hmong tribes, their cultural attire features hand-woven fabric and vibrant designs, reflecting their cultural pride. Nagaland has a new natural beauty and strong cultural traditions, which make it a key part of India's diversity. Here, today, even though we come from a different states and different parts of culture and different heritage, but we all are here, united here in one spirit, loving and respecting one another cultures.